time to see what this oil looks like. If there's any in here even. Oh, straight water. Hard to run an engine on that, huh? Nice. Oh gosh. Some of it made it in the oil pan. It's like a shower under here. Dude, you know, it'd be insanely awesome if that was able to start after all this. Yeah. Yeah, way to stay positive there.
Well, didn't you see that water running out?
Yeah, well, that's just preemptive start water.
Yeah.
That was a bad performance water leaving.
But that was the high performance water.
No, it has to leave to high performance. You know, if this was alumina, it could actually run under the water.
Cute alumina.
Yeah, it actually gained performance from flooding.
Oh, you fucking bastard. Not you, this effing gold.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna work on the interior today, and we're also going to work on getting the engine out the rest of the way. I don't know if you can kind of see how far we got that first day, but still got to get the block out and take a few more hoses and whatnot off. As for the interior, we're gonna take the front seats out, the center seat. I don't know if we're gonna touch this stuff right now. Vacuum up there. Take this off. And I can't even open that, so. That front door you can open, but take all those seats out, take the carpet out. See what kind of damage we have there. All right, let's get to it.